Hello, today we want to talk about Educare Mailbox and how it can really help transform you the way you send emails in your school. So first is go to your admin dashboard. On your admin dashboard, click on Mailbox. Once you click on Mailbox, it brings you to a place like this. From here, you can go to Compose. So if you look at this, watch this very carefully. We have three different main types of emails. We have the general emails, which I'm going to show you how it works, whereby you can see the sender, you can put the custom sender you wish, put the custom name you wish, and then you can compose, and then you can send emails. Then we have the result. This one is strictly for results. So you can be, I will show you how it works. You can then pick the results and then you can send. And then I will show you the custom one. So firstly, let's go back to the general. So the general, how it works is this. Let's say I want to send an email to a year group, maybe in the college, in the junior school, in the high school. It just all depends on how your school is set up. I can pick the college and I can pick for just parents that have children in this college. I can pick just year seven. And once I'm done, I can just sort it further if I wish, and then I can add. Once this is done, if you notice, the system has spoofed the record and now brought all the emails here. Right now, I can just put a header that I wish, and then I can just call it testing this. And the good thing is that I have the option to attach multi things like PDF, videos, and the rest. Can attach as much as four different items in this particular email. So right now, I can choose to send this email. I can choose to save as draft so that I can send later. I can choose to just clear it. So right now, let me go back so that I can be able to send an email. Let me send the email. Let me send this email to this email address. I'm sending an email to this email address and I'm calling it domain transfer and it's in testing this again. And this time around, I can attach it if I wish to. And let me send this email. So watch this. So now I've successfully sent an email to this address. So now I've sent an email to this address. One of the key and very beautiful thing about Educare email is that I can check my delivery reports. I can check if this email has been received and if this email has been read. Right now, I'm going to read this email. I'm reading this email. The system has already um, tracked it. So now, coming back to this, look at this. Once I click on this, the system has confirmed that the email has been accepted, delivered, and opened. So anytime you send an email to a group of parents, a group of students or teachers, you can actually track when they have read it. So that's one of the key things about this. Then you can see the sent items. You can, and the good thing about the sent items is that you can even check what you've sent, and you can forward and resend again to a different group. If I had saved any email in the draft, you will see all the emails I've saved in the draft here. And if I've scheduled emails, I can schedule emails I want to send maybe in the next 2 hours, the next day, the next week, or the next year, as much as I wish. And then I talked about the delivery report. Coming back to this, let me go to the result type. Coming to result type, I can pick maybe first term results and is a full term results. Once I do it, I can then pick to parents and I can attach the email. So one thing about this thing is that the system also spoofs through the emails and confirms the ones that are correct or not. I can uncheck the ones that are not correct and then only check the ones that are correct and then send. Once I send this, I can put the header that I wish and then I can put the footer and everything I want to type in here and send. So once I send, all the parents get their children's results for the first time with other additional messages that I wish to. Now, the last one is a custom. Custom means I want to send a newsletter, but this time around I want to personalize it. I want 100 people, 500 people to get the same email, but let them feel as if the emails were sent to them individually. I can say testing the draft, and for instance, um, hello, Mr. And at this point in time, I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to use this Mr. First name. So at this point, the system is going to send email. The first name is going to pick the first name of every single, whether it's parent, child, or teacher. Or I can say first name and also last name. I can say hello, Mr. This, so it will be if it's Alex Onya, it will be Alex Onya, and then you will now say I hope this email finds you well. So, and blah, 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 every other thing you want to send. So that's the good thing about Educare email. And the good thing is that every single email delivers. Every single email gets to the inbox. So when you send emails to your parents group, you can go and sleep because you know emails are delivered. And once they read it, you can check. And this is just as simple and straightforward as it is. I hope this Educare email makes is going to make your school a lot easier to manage, and I hope you're going to find it very useful. Thank you.